Imagine turning your plain photos into cool animation. I'm going to walk you through the process to make your photos come alive using Canva. Now let's get started. Okay guys, once you're logged into your Canva account, type in video, create a blank video, and I'm going to go to elements on the left, and I'm going to type in airplane, and I'm going to click on the photos, and I'm going to find a airplane background that I like. Okay, so this is the picture I like. I'm going to drag it down to my canvas page, make sure it fits. Then I'm going to click on edit at the top. I am going to click on magic grab. Okay, I'm going to grab the airplane. It's going to grab it. Okay, when it's done, you'll have this box right here. Okay, so next thing I want to do is go to animate and scroll down until you find the word breathe. Click on it. You're going to scale all the way out. Okay, and then you just hit play, guys. And how cool is that? The plane coming in for a landing. Okay, now guys, we're gonna add a page, and we're gonna go to uploads, and I'm gonna select a picture from uploads, and I'm gonna selecting this person on the motorcycle. Okay, then I'm gonna go to back to edit, magic grab, and I'm gonna select the biker. Then you're gonna click grab. Okay, so when that's done, we're gonna drag him in the center. Okay, then I'm gonna click on animate, go back to breathe, scale all the way. Okay, so let's play it. Okay, so that looks good to me, guys. Okay guys, that's it. Try using this technique on your next video. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And turn on that notification button. Until the next time, thrive with Darlette.